Okay, today is a little bit of a different day. We have the AC running, we have laundry going, and we have an area that we are going to actually organize a bit. Okay, let's get everything moved out of here. Miss Vanna, grab something and let's go. Yes? Cat just about killed me. So what my plan is here.
You've got a plan?
Uh-huh. Plan that you were so excited about.
You've got a plan.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay, is,
Take this stuff down.
yeah, it's something that's gonna have to come down, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
I suppose. That was difficult. Standing tall. All right. Okay.
You're near the top of the frame, but you're there.
Yoo-hoo. I'm there.
There you go, you're hiding.
Thank you. Okay, as you can see, we have this all moved out of here now. Along with those are going to have to be terminated later and taken care of. So now, let's go where we're going to assemble the shelves at, which is just in the other room here. Have them all ready right behind me, as you can see right there. So let's get it on the tripod so I can do what I need to do, along with Sexy Tech if she's gonna join us. She may just be supervising. The moving of the server rack, if you could be prosecuted for looks, she'd be prosecuted for murder with that move. So, you know, that's how well that went. Now let's get into the boxes, get this taken care of. I'll just have to scratch my goods, that's all. Yeah, it's nothing really fancy or anything, but it's gonna do the job, and that's all it needs to do. And then we have our posts. We have 8 of them here, 2 boxes. Actually, ooh, that's right. Remember I wanted to put them together? Oh, we'll see how that goes. We'll have to adjust that later if we want to do something with that. Because I want to make it all one big unit. Plans may change a little. All right, there we go. There's our plan. Figure it out as we go. Yeah, kind of money. I expect shit to be right.
It's fine.
All right, lift. Not sure. Just slide it right in, I guess.
Yep. We left some stuff in the way.
Yes, we did.
That's it right there. It's first.
Yes, it is. All right. Okay, so then we just need to level it off. Sexy text on top of it. And brought me some zip ties. Thank you. Okay, as you can see, I'm populating everything. I did get the wife's computer in, Sexy Text. That's up and all plugged in and ready to go and for her to try it out. I even ran the Ethernet cable down and around down that way to keep it all out of the way. Didn't zip tie it or anything. Let's see, even though that'd probably be the best to, if I ever had to just chop and go, so to speak. When I say chop, I mean the snip the zip ties. Just be the fastest way of doing it. Let's see, it's getting really late tonight, so I think I'm going to end this, and actually the thumbnail that you'll see will be the picture with this all finished. So tell me what you think about this. It was an improvement over what I had before. In other words, these boxes all stacked up over here. That server rack that was right here that was just taking up more space than actually doing any good. And you know, just tell me what's going on here. What do you think about it? And what do you think I could have done better, or if I did a really good job? So hit that like button. That helps me out with that algorithm. Also hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and this is Chris saying out.